In this video, we present ContactGen, generative contact modeling for grasp generation. The paper presents a novel contact representation for hand-object interaction. We applied a learned representation to grasp synthesis. The task refers to generate natural human hand to grasp the object. We demonstrate the process of generating contact representations from a generative model and inferring the underlying grasp via model-based optimization. We first introduce our novel contact representation named ContactGen. It provides a comprehensive, object-centric representation of contact by jointly modeling contact location, hand part, and touching direction. The representation does not require any input from the hand, also significantly expands the contact map, offering an unambiguous representation for hand-object interaction. While existing works are insufficient to recover the full hand information from contact alone, we partition the hand into 16 parts via a piecewise hand SDF model converted from monoparametric model. Each contact point on object surface corresponds to a hand part and a normalized contact direction with respect to the part. ContactGen consists of three maps: contact map, part map, and direction map, defined on object points. Each value in contact map represents the contact probability of the point. Each value in the part map encodes the closest hand part label of the point. The direction map records the direction of each point towards the corresponding part in part map. Next, we introduce the conditional generative model to infer ContactGen from any given object. We factorize the joint distribution of ContactGen into a product of three conditional probability functions. We extract shared object features using pointnet++. The contact map is conditioned on object features. The part map is additionally conditioned on contact map. The direction map additionally conditioned on part map. Each component is controlled by a latent code. The conditional decoder takes sample latent codes as input and sequentially decodes each map. The training objective consists of a reconstruction term for three maps and a KL regularization term between posterior and prior. We sample latent codes from posterior during training and prior at inference. To this end, we could sample diverse contact representations for any input object. Next, we discuss how to convert the sampled object-centric ContactGen into the corresponding hand grasp. We optimize the pose and shape code of the hand model from predicted ContactGen. The optimization objective consists of a contact loss, direction loss, and penetration loss. Please see the paper for details. We first evaluate the effectiveness of different contact representations in recovering ground truth hand grasp. We compare against contact OPT and torch. Both methods are unable to accurately recover the ground truth hand pose due to the incompleteness of their contact representation. While our approach offers a comprehensive representation of contact, enabling a full recovery of the ground truth hand pose. Then, we show graph synthesis result on 4 test objects from the graph dataset. We compare against GrabNet and Hello. Our generated graphs showcase improved object contact and reduced penetration. We also evaluate the diversity of the generated grasp. We observe Hello generates similar grasps for a given input object, while our generated grasps exhibit more diverse grasp poses. We further illustrate the decomposition of diversity in our generated grasps across different components. First, we present generated grasps with randomly sampled all 3 latent codes. Then, we fix the contact code and randomly sample the remaining 2 latent codes. Finally, we fix contact and part codes and randomly sample the direction latent code only. The diversity of generated grasp decreases when we freeze more components. We also compare the generalization performance on out-of-domain objects from HO3D dataset. We compare against Grasp TTA, GrabNet, and Hello. Our method produces more plausible grasps for unseen objects. Our method can extend beyond grasping to address more complex interaction scenarios. We show two hand-to-hand interaction synthesis result. This demonstrates the broad potential of our proposed contact representation in addressing a wide range of interaction tasks. We discuss few limitations of our method and future work. Our method can sometimes generate touch instead of grasp, and occasionally creates unrealistic combinations of three maps, resulting in insufficient contact or penetration. Advanced techniques like the diffusion model could offer potential solutions by more accurately modeling the prior. Thanks for watching.